Let's learn Good to Be You. It's choreographed by Johnny Two-Step. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with a restart on wall 3 after 16 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restart and the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Good to Be You. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do right and left step, block, steps. So you're going to step your right foot forward. You're going to bring your left foot in and behind your right. Step your right foot forward, bring your left foot in and behind your right, and step your right foot forward. You're now going to step your left foot forward, bring your right foot in and behind your left. Step your left foot forward, bring your right foot in and behind your left, and then step your left foot forward. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your step, lock, step. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do kick, step, points. So you're going to kick your right foot forward, step your right next to your left, and point your left toe to the left side. Kick your left foot forward, step your left next to your right, and point your right toe to the right side. We're now going to do 2 sailor steps. Cross your right behind your left, step your left foot out to the side, step your right foot out to the side. Cross your left behind your right, step your right foot out to the side, step your left foot out to the side. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your kick, step, point. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 3, we're going to do a Monterey half turn. So you're going to point your right toe to the right side, slightly angling your body to the left. We're going to make a half turn over our right shoulder, turning on the ball of your left foot as you step your right next to your left to face 6 o'clock. And right now your weight is on your right foot. You're going to point your left toe to the left side and step your left next to your right, taking weight onto your left foot. We're now going to step our right foot to the right side, step your left next to your right, and then we're going to chasse to the right, stepping right, side, left, together, right side. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your Monterey half turn. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to step our left foot to the left side. Step your right next to your left, and then we're going to chasse to the left, stepping left, side, right, together, left side. We're now going to do a jazz box quarter turn. So you're going to cross your right over your left. You're going to step back with your left foot, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 9 o'clock, and then step your left next to your right, and you'll be ready to start over again. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right, stepping to the left. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your step, lock, step. So it's step, lock, step, lock, step. Kick, step, point, sailor, step. Monterey half turn, side together, chasse, jazz box quarter turn. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your step, lock, step. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restart. The restart's going to happen on wall 3 after the first 16 counts of the dance. So you'll dance up till your 2 sailor steps and then restart doing wall 4 to 6 o'clock. So let's dance those 16 counts. Weights on your left, doing your step, lock, step. So it's step, lock, step, step. Kick, step, point, sailor, step. Right here, you're going to restart the dance, step, lock, step, and continue on from there. Now, let's talk about the ending. Your final wall will be wall 8, so you'll be dancing the 6 o'clock wall. You'll dance the full 32 counts, bringing you to 3 o'clock, and you're going to add on 3 heel heel bounces that are going to make a quarter turn so that you end facing 12 o'clock. So you would have just done your jazz box quarter turn. All we're going to do is step forward with our right foot. You're going to bounce your heels, bounce, 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 to end facing 12 o'clock. And I like to kind of sit over that right foot because it makes it more comfortable, and then you'll end facing the front. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the restart into the next wall. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your step, lock, step, lock, step. So it's step, lock, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, lock, step. Kick, step, point, sailor step, Monterey half, side together chassé, jazz box quarter turn, start over. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 16 counts. Step, lock, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, kick, step, point, sailor step, start over, step, lock, step, lock, step, kick, step, point, sailor step, Monterey half, side together chassé, jazz box quarter turn. And then you will dance through until you are finishing wall 8, and you'll do those heel bounces to the front. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Good to Be You. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Not concerned what you had in the